How's it going, everybody? Adam Solowitz here. Welcome back. Today, we're going to be making a vegan, plant-based ice cream, banana and peanut butter. All right, before we get going, as you have probably noticed, the past few videos that I've uploaded have been vegan. An easy way to navigate through my channel is to go into my playlists and you'll see the quarantine cookbook series. You're going to be able to see all the vegan videos that I have posted and recipes and tips and tricks. It'll be an easy way to navigate through my channel, just like a cookbook. So use the playlist as your table of contents for my cooking channel. Okay, first we're going to make our peanut butter. So I have some pre-roasted and salted peanuts. Now you can use a raw peanut and roast them yourselves. So whatever you like, you can do either or. But today we're using pre-roasted and salted peanuts. So we're gonna take our blender and we're just gonna toss the peanuts right in there, put the lid on, and then we're just gonna pulse. Just like that. Now, there we go. So we're gonna stop it. We're gonna take our spatula and then we're gonna just take those peanut crumbles and push them down just like that. We're gonna add a little bit of our peanut oil, just a touch, about a tablespoon. Top back on and pulse again. All right, looking good. Let's take a look at that. It's looking quite nice, like a peanut butter. A little chunky. We're gonna give it a try. Very good. I'm gonna put a little bit more, about another tablespoon of the peanut oil in there. And we're gonna pulse. Okay, and there we have it. Let's take a look. All right, very nice. So there we have it, peanut butter. That's perfect. I like my peanut butter a little chunky, so we're gonna leave this a little chunky. So we're gonna take our bowl here, just empty our peanut butter in the bowl. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna wash this thing out and then come back and we'll make the banana base to finish up this peanut butter and banana ice cream. Okay, so now we're gonna make the banana base. So what I have here are bananas that I peeled and cut in half and put in the freezer overnight. Take the bananas, put them in the blender. Okay, and now we're gonna pulse again, just like that. Okay, so I actually had to go ahead and switch blender tops just to use a bigger one because the other one was too small. So we pretty much almost got it there. Now because the bananas were extremely frozen, I'm gonna use a little soy milk. And you could use oat milk, soy milk, anything that is plant-based or vegan, just to get it going again. Put about a half a cup of soy milk. All right, and there we go. Now we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of agave nectar, just to sweeten it up a little bit. All right, and there we go. Let's have a taste and take a look at it. Oh, look at that, it's nice and creamy, beautiful. Looks like ice cream. Give it a try. That's perfect. So we're gonna take this banana base now, and we're gonna take our homemade peanut butter, and we're gonna fold the two together. Okay, before we get to folding, we actually have some vegan chocolate chips. I'm just gonna sprinkle those right on top, and now we're gonna fold it together. And you don't need to fully incorporate it, because what's gonna happen is if you just give it a light fold, it's gonna give it that almost swirl-like effect. And that is pretty much it, just like that. All right, and we're gonna give it a try. That's killer. Okay, now that we have it incorporated into the bowl, what we're gonna do now is I have a plastic Tupperware container, and we're just gonna put it right in there, just like so. Once over, just make sure it's packed nice and tight. So there we have it. We're gonna stick this in the freezer for a couple hours, and when we come back, we're gonna have a beautiful peanut butter and banana vegan ice cream. Okay, so have the ice cream ready to go, but just to be on the safe side, I let this freeze overnight. It came out absolutely fantastic, and there you go. I even tried a little bit of it. It's very, very good. So let's get this ice cream plated up. And just like that, we have our vegan peanut butter and banana ice cream. Let's give this a try. Woohoo! That's really good. I'm gonna eat this. You guys sit back and relax and just watch me. Or check out the recipe in the description and follow along in the video so you can make this at home yourselves. It's pretty dang good. If you like this video, talking with my mouth full, hit that like button. Find that subscribe button, press that so you can tune in every week for new recipes, tips, and tricks. Again, this is some vegan peanut butter and banana ice cream. My name is Adam Solowitz, and as always, eat well.